Hi guys, and welcome back to Cash Prize. In this video, we'll be talking about Society6, a print-on-demand platform which is popular among the passive income savvy community for generating money from their doodles, drawings and paintings. Its popularity is due to the ease at which you can exchange your own original artistic creations for money. Selling your art online is a great way to create a stream of passive income, and Society6 makes it even easier by fulfilling orders, printing and shipping each product. They even handle customer service, so all you need to do is focus on creating your designs. Sound interesting? Well, we think it is. So here are 3 quick tips for setting yourself up on Society6 so that you can start earning some passive income. Number 1. Create original artistic works and designs which people will want to buy. Artistic expression, no matter how moving and inspiring it may be, will count for very little if it does not appeal to the average consumer. So if you're an artist, you need to resist the temptation to express what's truly in your heart, and instead create appealing, simple expressions which you know will appeal to the kinds of people who will buy products on Society6. The design you create is especially important for Society6 because, unlike other print-on-demand services, they allow the customer to choose which design to apply to the product they purchase. This means that your designs will need to stand out in an entire database of other people's designs. So, in this regard, you need to work smarter, not harder. Think about the types of designs where there is already evidence of high demand and sales. This will of course depend on the type of product in question, which leads us on to our second tip. Number 2. Create a variety of designs which match the broadest range of products. Selling your works via Society6 is not going to make you much money initially. In fact, you may not see any orders or money for a good amount of time. But persistence and an adaptable approach is the name of the game here. In particular, this means that you need to maximize your efforts by creating a variety of attractive designs and to ensure that they each match the broadest range of products available. For example, a ultra-hip design will typically only appeal to younger people, and only a fraction of that demographic will want to apply it to a product. When choosing a design, unless the consumer is younger and likes ultra-hip designs, they are less likely to use it. On the other hand, an attractive but simple design will appeal to a wider demographic, and will therefore be matched by the consumer to a broader range of products. Creating designs which can be applied to a broad range of products is a good starting point in our view. Once you get a good feel of the platform and your customer base, you can then start to narrow your approach to target specific demographics and create designs which will fit a more specific range of products. Number 3. Don't get confused about intellectual property rights. The print-on-demand industry is growing, and plenty of entrepreneurs look to it as a good way to generate passive income. But so many of these entrepreneurs either have little understanding of intellectual property or are just completely confused about it and end up falsely believing things which may expose them to being sued in the future. Copyright is the main area to be aware of with print-on-demand services. The simple rule of thumb is if you create your own original artistic work, i.e. you do not copy it from somebody else, you will have a copyright in your work from the point at which you record it in a fixed form or medium. Copying, reproducing, broadcasting, etc. of anyone else's work, or work which bears a close resemblance to another's work, i.e. enabling a judge to infer that it was copied, without permission, will make you liable to being sued for copyright infringement, or at the very least having a copyright complaint being filed against you on Society6. If you are honest and you don't take shortcuts with your work through copying, you can rest easy, and Society6 can be a great way for you to exploit your artistic works and generate passive income. We at Cashbright recommend that artists learn the basics of intellectual property, as this will help them avoid any legal headaches in the future. Overall, selling your artistic works on Society6 is a great way to generate passive income. If you have not already done so, check it out. It's not a perfect system by any means, but for most people who are looking for an easy way to get started, it's definitely one passive income method worth exploring. Thanks for watching. To keep up to date with our future videos on all things passive income, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And until the next time, stay sharp, stay hungry, and stay cash bright.